Here's loco number 461. There's the number right there. And today we're going to go into the cab. Here's the cab of it. Oh, gosh, she scared me. There's everything. And then here's the firebox. I don't really think you can really see anything in it. Here's the reverser. Can't really turn it. Fireman seat. Regulator. That red thing there is the whistle. Here's the firebox door. It's a bit tough to close. And here's the tender. And there's a picture of the 461 running. And down here is all the coal. So that's really all the cab. So I'll see you later. See ya.